culture of your organization is the lifeline of your business. It's personality, it's energy, it's the environment that enables your strategy or undermines it. The key component to a thriving culture is healthy communication. The Center for Creative Leadership Better Conversations Every Day is research-based and uniquely developed to inspire trust, drive engagement, and increase performance. No matter the size of your organization, BCE provides the tools to break down communication barriers and bring your business strategy to life from the front desk to the corner office. The simple yet transformative 4 core behaviors of BCE are: listen to understand, ask powerful questions, challenge and support, and establish next steps and accountability.
We reached out to CCL for their Better Conversations Every Day program.
Notre Dame is one of the top universities in the United States, but the prestigious institution recognized that it needed a culture change.
At Notre Dame, relationships are really key, and people are reluctant to challenge each other and give feedback. We wanted our senior leaders, our managers, and our frontline supervision to experience better conversations.
In real time, the scalable one-day BCE experience allows participants to see tangible results as they make progress on actual workplace challenges.
After one of the BCE workshops, a manager came up to me. She'd been having difficulty with a couple of her employees and really had been avoiding having the conversation. She said what she learned in BCE helped her have those conversations.
BCE can be facilitated in 3 ways. We visit your offices. You can come to one of our global locations for the training. Or we can train your team to facilitate our content across your organization, which was Notre Dame's choice. More than 25 members of Tammy's team are BCE trained facilitators, and more than 2,800 have completed the program. Better conversations every day. Everyone wants better business outcomes. Build them on a foundation of better conversations.